going down? Welcome to another Come and Smoke It. We are here at Indian Springs Ranch with a ton of great pit masters, ready for another great event. We got the live music rolling. We got the McConaughey's cold off. Let's go check it out. Let's go feed the animals, hang out with Clyde the camel, and enjoy some great food. It's Austin, Texas, baby. Let me show you what's up.
Texas brisket, post oak smoke for 12 hours. This is the pulled pork grilled cheese, open face, served over a croissant with pickled onions and pickled jalapenos. Got a pork belly banh mi going today. Smoked the pork belly last night. Got this beautiful bread from HEB. Topped with some sriracha mayo, some pickled veggies. Got some cucumber, some cilantro, and jalapeno. Barbacoa brisket street corn, basically with tortilla cheese and homemade hot sauce, and prime black Angus brisket. Daddy Douglas barbecue out in Katy, Texas.
Got the anniversary cake. We got a lemon raspberry made by the Dessert Whisperer, straight out of Brotherton's Black Iron Barbecue. And look at this bad boy right there. Oh. Alright, and that's another one for the Smoke Game Strong. Come and smoke it here at Indian Springs Ranch, Austin, Texas. Serving up that fire dessert cake from Brotherton's. Until next time, see you at the next event. Peace. Perfect.